I apologize for the brightness. It's Random Friday. It's always Random Friday for me, but I'm just doing this right now during the daytime before I go out and do more random stuff. So when I don't have proper curtains, I should get some blackout ones, but it is what it is. Um, so I'm being even extra random for me. This is my Wii U. I recently did the Tiramisu soft mod for it. I won't get into all the really cool stuff that you can do, and I'll ramble on at the end on that. But this is RetroArch on it. That's what we're testing. So I downloaded the most recent build, and I'm impressed. It works great. We're going to do some Amiga emulation. Um, so Amiga emulation via RetroArch on a Wii U with Tiramisu. And we're playing a game called Phuk The World. Obviously, with a title like that, I curse a lot, but this is an adult game. It's cartoonish, but I don't do adult content on purpose, besides me swearing. Um, so basically, and I don't know if I put this on YouTube if I should do an adult only tag. I mean, it's like super bad dick drawing type shit. So basically, you're playing a cartoon cock. I mean, who doesn't want to be a cartoon cock, right? I don't find it super bad, but the disclaimer is you're playing an animated cock. So that's adult ish. You've been warned. Don't watch it if you're easily offended of stuff like that, or you're not an adult. There you go. Fuck the world. Unfortunately, this is an ADF. It's a disk image. I don't know if anybody took the time to do a WHD load setup for it. So you have to go through the normal intro stuff. Well, I love not going through all of this with WHD load. Still, it's a good test. This should be nostalgic for people that actually played disc games back in the day. And I'm using default settings, so I probably could have tweaked some of the emulation settings to speed up the disk speed. I didn't. This is pretty much out of the box RetroArch. I think I tweaked the chip RAM setting, and that was it. But on a real Amiga, like a 500, it took a few minutes. It took a minute to load a game. Here you go. Animated cock warning. Don't proceed any farther if you're offended by cock or you're too young. Cool music. Enough of that. Look, Mom, I'm a cock. Woohoo! I'm the cock! I mean, I watch horrible movies for humor, so why not, right? When I was in middle school, if I could code, I certainly would have done a dick game. Of course, that would have been on an 8-bit platform. Doink. Okay, gotta get me some smokes. Woohoo! So did you notice what they call the smokes? Oh my god, from the same people that say cunt and twat too. Call them fags. British game, obviously. Ooh, that's exciting. Oh shit, I'm stuck. Alright, enough of that. So, yeah, if you have a Wii U, I don't know if I'd actually. I have so many systems now. I and I bought a lot of this stuff, not necessarily thinking about modding. I just like to collect and play, and the modding is just kind of fun. Um, and I do like the stuff that you can do with a modded system. Um, but basically, with the Wii U with Tiramisu, it's a homebrew enabler. You can Google. So the Wii U actually has a virtual Wii. TLDR, the Wii U is like a faster Wii, and a Wii is like a faster GameCube. That is way oversimplified, but they have backward compatibility built in. The Wii U has a virtual Wii. It can go into like Wii mode. It's mostly hardware ish. I'm not going to get super pedantic on that, but they call it the VWii. And the VWii can be modded also. So you mod your Wii U and then you mod your VWii. It just gives you a buttload of capability. I might do more of that in the future. I don't know. I'll probably get randomly distracted on something else. But yeah, if you can find one cheap or if you have one, I definitely would recommend Tiramisu. You can Google Wii U homebrew, and I think the first link is the instructions on how to do it. It's super easy. You basically just download some files, and then you trigger these files through a web page. There's a browser exploit, and there you go. I think it was one of the easier mods that I've dealt with. And RetroArch is still being updated, and the Wii U is quite a bit faster, more powerful than the Wii. So there's a lot of good stuff that you can do with the Wii U. And RetroArch, especially the Amiga stuff, just works. Do it.